When you open the app, on top of the dashboard you have the exertion score, but for this you must be connected to a smartwatch, which allows you to take a closer look at your performance level. You can monitor heart rate variability, step count, and so on. Below that, you have today's workout. If you click on it, it shows you the workout for today. But if you don't have workout assigned for today, then it writes no workout today. Below you have the calendar, because the app is calendar based, so all workouts are prescribed on a specific day according to the calendar. So if you click on a workout calendar, it shows you all the workouts for this month. You can easily switch months with arrows. Workouts are marked with these color dots, and if you click on one day, it shows you a workout for one day. If you have any other special program assigned to you, like prehab shoulder 1 here, it is shown at the bottom of the dashboard, and if you don't have assigned any program, it's just not there. If you click on it, it shows you the program here. For the example, I have a program for 2 weeks. In week 2 there is no sessions. In week 1 there are 5 sessions. I can go on day 1 with arrows, move to day 2, day 3, go back to day 2, or just go back to dashboard, click program library, click next session, and I am here where I was before. If you go back to dashboard, down here you have a toolbar, and if you click on the weight in the middle, it automatically throws you to today's workout. But be careful, because if you were previously in the program library, it will show you today's program and not today's workout. So I was previously in the program library, so if I click on the weight, it shows me the program. So I need to go back, click workout calendar, and now go back, and if I click the weight now, it shows me the workout for today. On the left side of the toolbar I have feed, where you can see posts from one of the SuperTrening team and some personal bests of all the users. Next to feed button you have a leaderboard where you choose a specific exercise and you can see where you belong among the users of the application. On the right you have a messaging button where you can click on the plus here and start conversation and talk to each other. Next to it on the right there is a profile button where you can see your today's activity or activity of the past week and month. At the top left corner of the screen there is a menu where are shortcuts to a dashboard, journal, maxes and PRs, some useful documents and links from our SuperTrening team, wearables, workout calendar, program library, and settings.